There's a squirrel. She found a great habitat right in the garage, and this is right behind the garage, and I had to come around from the property that I was looking at, and luckily the squirrel stuck out its head, and you can check it out. Look at that. And she is still here. They are eastern gray squirrels. Those are the ones, they are most rampant, and also they are everywhere. They are higher in numbers in New York, and squirrel is still here, and we want to get rid of this one. Bug tax is here, and we'll make sure once this squirrel is excluded, we'll close this opening and make sure the homeowner's property is safe. Have a great day, folks.